finally sat down with my laptop after the dogs had chased the rest away. New guest in the house, feeling jittery, so I cuddled them close to say, cuddles and comfort amidst the fray. I did my best, but you know it's tough. Gerard had that one tiny question, sweetly timed, but it felt too rough. Nervous system screaming fire, like a siren ringing loud. Suddenly I found myself singing some chaos in the crowd. Breathe in, breathe out, let your heart come back online. From explosion to connection, we can make it, give it time. Not perfect, not polished, not always wise or sweet, but when love learns regulation, we land back on our feet. Gerard was cooking in the kitchen, pots and pans like stormy seas, hot and rushed and slightly fried, fighting with the time that flees. Then that pasta sauce jar caught his eye, the wrong one sitting on the side. You'd think the world was ending, yeah, the tomatoes must have lied. Breathe in, breathe out, let your heart come back online. From explosion to connection, we can make it, give it time. Not perfect, not polished, not always wise or sweet, but when love learns regulation, we land back on our feet. Sometimes love is not romantic, sometimes love ain't like a rose, just triggered moments of two grown people. The sauce was never supposed to be wrong at the wrong moment, on a warm and busy day, while the dogs are judging us like, do humans always act this way? Breathe in, breathe out, let your humor take a seat. Not every little kitchen drama needs a courtroom or defeat. Explode, notice, calm and connect, that's how we find the way. Love isn't about no trouble, love comes back and learns to stay. So here's to the pasta sauce jar and the dogs who need a fuss. Here's to the tiny triggers that reveal the truth in us. Real love isn't never snapping, real love learns to come back fast. With a laugh, a breath, a sorry, and a better spell to cast. Breathe in, breathe out, let your heart come back online. Breathe in, breathe in. If love can laugh and regulate, every storm can be heard in time.